Welcome to Best by Report. The best plaster of Paris is probably one of the most versatile materials you can have in your crafting arsenal. From creating stunning sculptures to adding intricate details to your DIY projects, this fine powder opens up a world of possibilities. Its quick-setting nature and ability to capture fine details make it a favorite among artists and hobbyists alike. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Plaster of Paris, exploring its uses, and helping you find the perfect one for your next masterpiece. Number 5. Falling in Art Plaster of Paris Powder. This plaster casting powder is made from 100% natural materials. It's a non-toxic blend, specially formulated to create detailed castings from your molds or anything you can imagine. The mixing ratio is 3 parts water to 4 parts plaster. It solidifies in just 3 to 4 minutes and dries to a hard finish in about 30 minutes. After drying, you can paint it and give it as a gift. This high-quality, quick-setting, and lightweight white plaster is ideal for many projects. Use it for crafts, patterns, commercial castings, masks, jewelry, sculptures, and home decoration. It's a perfect gift for any occasion, like Mother's Day, birthdays, or anniversaries. Use it to create hand molds or other memorable keepsakes. Falling in Art provides premium art supplies to satisfy your needs. If you have any issues with the product, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This plaster powder is made from 100% natural materials, ensuring safety for all your craft projects. It's also incredibly easy to mix, solidifying quickly so you can get to the fun part. If you're looking for a versatile plaster that's perfect for various crafts, from sculptures to home decor, this is the one for you. What people say. Se mezcla fácilmente con agua, no hace grumos y seca con bastante rapidez. La textura es fina y permite obtener moldes y figuras con buen detalle. I used it to fill holes and gouges on the curvilinear area of a mirror where the consistency had to be fairly thin. Number 4. Falling in Art 5LB Plaster of Paris Powder. This plaster casting powder is made from 100% natural and non-toxic materials. It's specially formulated to create detailed castings from your molds or anything you can imagine. The mixing ratio is 3 parts water to 4 parts plaster. It solidifies in just 3 to 4 minutes and dries to a hard finish in about 30 minutes. After drying, you can paint it and give it as a gift. This high-quality, quick-setting, and lightweight white plaster is perfect for various craft projects. It's great for patterns, commercial castings, masks, and home decoration. It's a perfect gift for any occasion, like Mother's Day or birthdays. Use it to create hand molds or other memorable keepsakes. We aim to provide premium art supplies to help you express your creativity. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This plaster powder offers the same great features as the first one, but with a larger quantity. It's safe, easy to use, and suitable for a wide range of projects. If you need more plaster for bigger projects or multiple creations, this is a great choice. What people say. Worked very well on the project I was working on. It worked perfect for a solid level base for my toilet installation. Perfect for the candle bowls I'm going to make. Number 3. Craft Wrap 4x 15-foot Plaster Cloth Gauze Bandage. This is Craft Wrap, a plaster cloth bandage. It's perfect for a variety of craft and art projects. You can easily shape and mold it. The bandage comes in a convenient 4-inch width and a generous 15-foot length. It provides ample material for your creative endeavors. This allows for flexibility in your projects. Craft Wrap is incredibly easy to use. Simply dip it in water and apply it to your desired surface. It quickly hardens, allowing you to create durable sculptures and forms. It's ideal for sculpting, mask making, and various other craft projects. Its versatility makes it a must-have for artists and hobbyists. The product is a great choice for your next project. Get your Craft Wrap plaster cloth bandage today and unlock your creativity. It's a simple and effective way to bring your artistic visions to life. You will be amazed by what you can create. What we like. This plaster cloth bandage is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. It sets quickly, allowing you to move on to the next step of your project without delay. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile option for your crafting needs, this is a great choice. What people say. It was so easy to use over the basic structure, which was covered in twisted rolled newspaper and such. Strips cut to easy to sizes are briefly dipped into basin of water and then draped over the framework. The sheet size worked well for the mountains, hills and river that framed the diorama. Number 2. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit Refill. This refill kit is perfect for creating lasting memories. It's non-toxic and hypoallergenic, making it safe and fun for all ages. The alginate molding material is easy to use. It provides more working time and forms a stronger mold with better detail. Whether it's baby footprints or adult handprints, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for special occasions and creating keepsakes. The kit features color-changing properties to guide you. The color changes from pink to white as it sets, making the process easier to follow. This kit is great for couples or baby keepsakes. It contains enough material for 2 adult hands, ensuring you can keep casting without repurchasing the entire kit. What we like. This product uses a non-toxic alginate material, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. The color-changing formula makes the process easy to follow. If you're looking to create lasting memories with hand or footprint castings, especially for couples or babies, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The plaster is very fine and mixes well. It is perfect for my craft projects. The plaster sets up quickly, which is great for getting projects done in a timely manner. Number 1. Hand Casting Kit for Couples. This kit includes everything you need to create a beautiful hand casting. It comes with molding powder, casting stone, a bucket, and more. It's a fun and creative way to capture a special moment. Inside, you'll find all the materials and instructions. The kit includes a large molding bucket, casting stone powder, alginate molding powder, and a mahogany mounting plaque. It's designed to make the process easy and enjoyable. Making a hand cast is a fun and unforgettable experience. It's a great way to bond and create a lasting memory. The finished product will be a beautiful reminder of your connection. This kit allows you to create stunning casts with the included mahogany mounting plaque. It's a professional-grade hand casting set that's perfect for couples and families. The result is a priceless memory. This heartfelt gift is ideal for anniversaries, birthdays, or Valentine's Day. It's a great way to celebrate your love and create a beautiful sculpture. This DIY kit is perfect for a handheld casting adventure. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to create a beautiful hand casting, making it a complete package. It's designed for couples to create together, making it a memorable experience. If you're looking for a unique and heartfelt gift, especially for anniversaries or Valentine's Day, this is the perfect choice. What people say. First, it's easy to use. Don't be afraid of the process. And it doesn't take long, less than an hour to prep everything, read instructions, and get the plaster into the mold. Then it just takes time to cure. Instructions were simple, and the process was easy. It comes with everything that you need to do this project. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.